Looking for a baby shower theme that's timeless, cozy, and full of charm? A Winnie the Pooh baby shower brings the 100 Acre Wood to life with warm colors, sweet quotes, and playful characters. From decor to food, every detail can feel whimsical and heartfelt. Let's explore creative ways to design a baby shower inspired by everyone's favorite bear and his friends. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's a fun idea for party favors? Send guests home with mini honey jars, bee-shaped soaps, or Pooh bookmarks. Simple, themed favors feel thoughtful and tie the celebration together. Favors with heart? Like this if your guests leave smiling. What are cute centerpiece ideas? Use honey jars, sunflowers, or small plush characters. Add balloons, rustic wood slices, or mini trees to bring the 100 Acre Wood vibe to each table. Tables dressed right? Like this if your centerpieces tell the story. What invitations match the theme? Use designs with Pooh, honey pots, or balloons. Choose fonts and colors that feel warm and playful, and include sweet wording like, "A new adventure is on the way." Invites with charm? Like this if your theme begins at the mailbox. What food works for a Pooh theme? Serve honey cakes, bear-shaped cookies, and fruit jars, labeled Rabbit's Garden. Add sweet labels like Piglet's Popcorn or Tigger's Tasty Treats. Food full of fun? Like this if your menu feels playful and themed. How do I style the dessert table? Use a honey pot cake as the centerpiece. Surround it with cupcakes, honey sticks, and cookies shaped like bees or balloons for a sweet Pooh-inspired spread. Desserts buzzing? Like this if your table looks as sweet as honey. How do I set the theme for a Pooh shower? Start with a color palette of honey yellow, soft browns, and gentle greens. Add Pooh quotes, character cutouts, and rustic touches to set the cozy forest mood. Theme set sweetly? Like this if your party begins with Pooh charm. How do I keep the atmosphere cozy? Stick with soft lighting, gentle music, and rustic textures. Focus on warmth, simplicity, and character touches that make the space feel welcoming and joyful. Cozy and charming? Like this if your shower feels like Pooh's world. How can I decorate the backdrop? Create a backdrop with honeycomb paper, balloon garlands in yellows and greens, or a 100-acre wood sign. Add Pooh and friends for a photo-ready spot. Backdrop buzzing? Like this if your setup feels picture perfect. How do I include Pooh quotes in decor? Display framed signs with sayings like, "Sometimes the smallest things take up the most room in your heart." Add them to tables, walls, or the guestbook area. Words with warmth, like this if your shower feels extra thoughtful. Can outdoor spaces work for this theme? Absolutely. Set up picnic blankets, rustic signage, and balloons tied to trees. Outdoor showers capture the playful, natural vibe of the 100-acre wood. Celebrating outside? Like this if nature makes your shower magical. Can I add personalized details? Yes, include banners with baby's name, customized honeypot labels, or signs with Pooh quotes. Personalized decor makes the event memorable and unique. Details with love? Like this if your shower feels one of a kind. Can I incorporate games into the theme? Yes, try Pin the Tail on Eeyore, Pooh Trivia, or Honeypot guessing games. Fun activities keep guests entertained and connected to the theme. Games with giggles? Like this if your shower sparks joy and laughter. A Winnie the Pooh baby shower is sweet, nostalgic, and full of love. With honey-inspired decor, character details, and playful activities, you'll create a celebration straight from the 100 Acre Wood. Inspired by Pooh charm? Like and return for more heartfelt party ideas.